I can repeat the cat for Pete. Pete is going to the pet store. He is going to get a pet. Pete wants a bird, a hamster, or a lizard. But then Pete sees a goldfish. That's what I want. He tells his mom. Pete's mom gets fish food. I'm going to call you Goldie, Pete said to his new friend. You are my first pet, Pete tells Goldie on my way home. Pete takes Goldie to his room. He feeds her fish food. Now what? Asks Pete. He can't play with Goldie. He can't swim with her. Pete knows what he can do. Pete painted a picture of Goldie. He picked 4 fins and an orange tail. What a pretty painting, said Pete's mom. You can keep it, said Pete. Cool painting, says Bob. Can you make one for me? Sure, says Pete. Pete painted a picture of Bob. Wow, said Bob. It looks just like Goldie. Bob showed Pete's painting to his Tom. Now, Tom wants a painting too. Pete paints another picture of Goldie to take to school for school show and tell. This is Goldie, and this is my pet fish. Pete tells his class, cute fish, cool colors, nice work. I wish I had the picture of Goldie, said Betty. I will make you one, said Pete. Everyone in Pete's class wants a painting of Goldie. Pete's grandma wants a painting too. Pete has a lot to do. He has to feed Goldie. He has to do homework. Pete paints and paints. He makes painting for everyone on his list. At last, Pete is done. He worked hard. No paint left. Pete painted a big hit. Pete is happy to be done, but Pete is not done. Now everyone is town. What? Town want a painting of Goldie. Pete gets more paint. I don't know what to do. He asks his mom. I wish I could paint a picture for everyone. I just don't have time. Pete's mom has an idea. He tells it to Pete. Great idea, says Pete. Pete will get right to it. This time, he will go outside and make a huge painting. Honk honk, beep beep, here comes Pete. He has made one painting of Goldie for everyone in town to enjoy. What a great day! When Pete gets home, he tells the real Goldie all about it.